Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video let us see one of the simple question. In this video we will just cover this question but in a detailed way. So let us start the video. So the product of two numbers is 6760. So let us take the two numbers as x and y. So the first number is x and the next number is y. Let us take it. And their HCF is 13. So how many such pairs of numbers can be formed is the question. So I have taken x and y. Now they have told that product of this x and y is 6760. Correct? They have also given the HCF, which is 13. So now let us multiply this HCF with these two numbers. So it will be directly 13x into 13y, which is 6760. Correct? So now 13 into 13 is 169. 169xy is equal to 6760. Now this xy would be equal to 40. Correct? So the xy would be equal to 40. Now for this we have to find how many pairs can be formed. So how the pair should be formed? It should be co-prime. I hope we are clear until here. So since it should be co-prime, we can form it as 8 and 5. Correct? And then with 40 into 1 itself. So 40 into 1. So is there any other pair which can be formed? I think no. So there are only two pairs. So therefore, how many such pairs can be formed? The answer is 2. And if you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up. So stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you. Bye bye.